Sometimes, the most incredible journeys start from a simple idea. 60 years ago, Mary Kay was founded on the idea of giving women a way to control their own destinies, providing them with irresistible products, a community of support, and the flexibility to balance their faith, their family, and their Mary Kay business. Guided by the ideal that the only way to achieve true success is by helping those around you succeed. For 60 years, Mary Kay has been empowering women to inspire a more beautiful world. Mary Kay women are a force to be reckoned with. They build their success on their terms, on their schedule, to fit their family's priorities, with resilience and determination. They made the most of the Mary Kay opportunity, embracing their unique strengths and talents. These women are entrepreneurs, role models, and trailblazers. Through their unwavering dedication, they embody the true spirit of the Mary Kay opportunity, empowering not only themselves, but also countless others to embrace their potential and forge their own paths to success. And across the nation, these amazing women are coming together to celebrate this incredible opportunity and the enduring philosophies of Mary Kay Ash. From coast to coast, Mary Kay women are painting America pink with their passion, determination, and joyful spirit, lighting the way for the next generation of leaders.
One of these days, we will completely envelop the world with beautiful women, with beautiful thoughts and beautiful blessings. We have a mission to share our love and our energies and our hopes and our dreams and our superior products and our abundant way of life. I only planted the seed and you took it from there and nurtured it, and look what you have done. Memories and milestones and miracles of sharing the dream and keeping the promise.
Here's to 60 more years of empowering women to be self-starters and be who they truly want to be. Painting America pink. Then, now, and always.